think somewhere along the way, I became distant from people. Not because I hate them, not because I think I'm better than anyone, but because I don't understand how things work anymore. And sometimes, when you don't understand something, the safest thing you can do is step back. Today's relationships confuse me. Not love itself. Love is simple. People are not. We live in a time where commitment is loud in words, but quiet in actions. People say, "I'm yours," while keeping backups. They say, "I love you," while entertaining options. They promise loyalty, but flirt with attention. And somehow, this has become normal. What scares me the most is how casually people switch hearts. One day you're everything, the next day you're too much. And the very things they once loved about you become the reasons they leave. When things get boring, they don't fix it, they replace it. When things get hard, they don't communicate, they escape. And when they feel lonely, they don't talk to their partner. They find comfort somewhere else. Then they call it healing. I don't get that. I don't understand how someone can commit to you, share secrets with you, build routines with you, make memories with you, and then walk away as if you were just a phase. What hurts more is how cheating isn't even shocking anymore. It's joked about, romanticized, excused. Everyone does it. People get bored. It's just attention. No, it's betrayal. And the scariest part? People don't even feel guilty anymore. They feel justified. They say things like, "You weren't giving me enough time. You were too busy. I felt neglected." So instead of talking, they chose someone else. Instead of fixing, they replaced. Instead of respecting the bond, they broke it quietly, and then blamed the person who stayed loyal. That's when I started pulling away, because I realized something. Not everyone values connection the same way. Some people want love. Some people want comfort. Some people just don't want to be alone. And those are very different things. Another thing I don't understand is how hanging out with people who make your partner insecure has become acceptable. I'm not talking about friendships. I'm talking about boundaries. If someone truly cares about you, they won't put themselves in situations that make you question your worth. But today, insecurity is treated like weakness. If you feel uncomfortable, you're called controlling. If you ask for reassurance, you're called needy. If you want loyalty, you're called insecure. But back then, those were signs of care. People forget that relationships aren't about freedom alone. They're about responsibility. Love isn't just about doing whatever you want. It's about choosing your person even when temptation exists. Now let's talk about attention. Today's love is addicted to validation. People ignore their partners just to see if they'll chase. They post things to make them jealous. They disappear to feel wanted. That's not love. That's ego. Real love doesn't test loyalty. It protects it. And this constant need for attention is why connections feel empty. Because when attention fades, so does interest. But love was never supposed to be exciting all the time. Old school love understood that. Our parents, grandparents, they didn't give up when things went cold. They didn't leave when butterflies faded. They knew something we forgot. Love isn't a feeling you chase. It's a commitment you build. Back then, people stayed. They talked. They fixed things. They didn't look for replacements every time things felt dull. They understood seasons. They knew some days would feel quiet. Some days would feel heavy. Some days would feel boring. But they stayed anyway. Today, silence scares people. If you're not texting 24/7, it means you're losing interest. If you're not constantly exciting, it means the spark is gone. But what if the spark didn't die? What if it just matured? What if love isn't supposed to feel like fire forever? What if it's supposed to feel like warmth? Steady, safe, consistent. I think that's why I feel distant. Because I love deeply. When I commit with intention. I don't have love. I don't keep backups. I don't entertain distractions. And in a world full of options, that kind of love feels rare. People say they want loyalty, but they live like they're single. They say they want deep connection, but run away from emotional responsibility. They say they want honesty, but hide parts of themselves. So I choose distance. Not because I'm cold, but because I'm careful. I don't want temporary people touching permanent parts of me. I don't want someone who loves me when it's easy, but leaves when it's quiet. I don't want someone who needs constant excitement to stay. I want someone who understands that love is work, that choosing one person every day is more powerful than chasing many. Maybe that makes me old school. Maybe that makes me weird. But I'd rather be alone than be with someone who treats love like a trend. I'd rather wait than settle for inconsistency. Because real connection is rare, and when you find it, you don't risk it for temporary comfort. So yes, I became distant, not because people are bad, but because love deserves more than what today's culture offers. And I'm not willing to love halfway. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.